Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 6. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable app drawer. As you can see right now, app drawer is enabled. To disable it, tap and hold on free space on screen and tap on more. Enter home screen mode and select standard mode. Now app drawer is disabled. To enable it again, tap and hold on screen, tap on more, home screen mode and select drawer mode. And now app drawer is enabled. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.